Good morning guys! Another day again here in Kuwait. Ayan, at gusto daw tumulong magluto ng aking panganay.
Day 4.
Day 4 yung
Day
Yeah.
4. Going to buy vegetables.
Oh, no.
Tuwang-tuwa ako guys kasi may malapit na bilihan ng Filipino bread dito. Kami sa bahay guys at nag-iintay kami ng bisita kasi darating yung mga kaibigan ng asawa ko. Tas yan, kikita nyo, yan yung binili namin kanina sa bakery, ensaymada sa Caputo.
I am so lucky. Who starts? You. Ooh! It was yours, right? I'm so lucky.
That's it for today. Kain tayo ng pizza.